French toast that is quick and easy? Can it be?
Yes, I've discovered my best French toast is simple, without sweeteners, flavorings, or seasonings. Here, I'll show you how I do it. First, we're going to preheat our griddle, or you can use a frying pan, medium-high. And this is the cheapest sandwich bread. An egg for every 2 pieces if you're using a chicken egg, or 3 pieces if you're using a duck egg. I'm using a pie plate, which works very well. If you have a different pan that works, that's fine. Then, quickly just twist those together. I'm just using a fork. We want to get that scrambled up really good. You want to feel, and yes, it feels nice and hot. Turn it down just a little bit. I'm going to be using a little bit of olive oil on here. I'm going to put this pan right next to my griddle. Put the bread in, flip it over, and then there's going to be a little residual wanting to drip off. Put it on the griddle. And we can work kind of quickly. Drop it in, turn it, and you may have to flip it again until it is covered. We may be running low on egg. 5 pieces of French toast. Unless I want to whip up another egg in here. Why not get every bit of that good, nutritious egg all over? There we go. Now, let's give that 1 minute. Okay, it's been a minute. I am going to flip it. And depending on my eggs for the day, sometimes I'll get 6 pieces, sometimes it'll be 5. One thing you can do is make extra and freeze them or refrigerate them for later. It's been another minute. Flip. Oh, it looks perfect. Okay, we are ready to eat this. Now, if you want to serve a lot of these, you can put your oven on like 170 degrees. Put a pan in there just to keep it warm. Or you can even put it in the microwave and don't turn it on. Just put it in the microwave to keep the heat in. And that was quick and easy. This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more, go to youtube.com/an Iowa Mom videos. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.